In this video, I'm going to break my fast by reviewing the Bird's Eye Green Cuisine Southern Fried Grills. Hi, and welcome to another Break a Fast food review. My name is Jesse, and I'm the Fast and Sparky. Today I'm going to be reviewing Bird's Eye's Green Cuisine Southern Fried Grills, which are a chicken alternative. I've never had any of Bird's Eye's Green Cuisine chicken products before, meat-free chicken products before, so this is new to me. I have had one product of theirs before, and I've found out today that these are actually a different protein source. They use a different protein source to the ones I've tried before, which was the burgers, the beef burgers. So let's take a look at the protein source and the nutritional information. Well, the protein source is rehydrated wheat. Now I was surprised to see that on there, because the burger I've had before from Green Cuisine is pea protein. So I was expecting to see pea protein on the back of here, but it's wheat protein, 39%. So, going to be interesting to see what this tastes like. As usual, I'll download the nutritional information and the ingredients listed on the back of here, and I will put them up there for anybody who's interested in taking a closer look at them. Price point. What is the price point? Now, before I give you the price of this, I think I better give you the price of the last product, because I'm pretty sure I forgot to do it in the last video, which is actually a competition to this, because the last video I did was the corn crunchy fillet burger, which is like a chicken fillet, which is what this is, but it's southern fried. And the cost of them, off the top of my head, was £2 in Morrison's. These are £2.25 in Morrison's for 2 grills. The other was also for 2 fillet burgers, similar size. They were £2, and I don't think they were on offer. They are a new product, so whether they've launched them at a slightly lower price, the corn fillet burgers, I don't know. But these are slightly more money at £2.25, which is not bad. Again, like I always say, if it's very tasty, then it's just about worth the money for that. As normal, I'm going to break a fast doing this review. I haven't eaten since yesterday, since last night. So I think it's time to fire up the oven and get some food on the plate. Okay, here it is. There's the piece of southern fried, what is it called? I'll put the box away now. It's southern fried grill. That is what it is, a southern fried grill. So it does look like a southern fried grill, but then I suppose you could make anything look like a southern fried grill when you're coating it in breadcrumbs. So it's all about the taste, innit? So without further ado, I think we should get into this. With it, I've got peas, and I've got loaded new potatoes. So I've got boiled new potatoes, and then I've fried some onion, and then I put the new potatoes in the fried in butter, and then I put a bit more butter in a frying pan, put the new potatoes in, just give them a little crisp the surface of the potatoes up, put the onions on top, and then put some cheese, melted some cheese on top. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's dive into this because I'm starving. Let's break this fast. So first off, Bobo, he's licking his lips, but I ain't. Right, here we go. Let's have a look at it. Now, as usual, my camera's useless at zoom or focusing in on it, but there we go. Let's see what it looked like. Yeah, it does look pretty similar to the Quorn fillet burger I reviewed in the last video. Bobo, what you doing? Oh, I think he's got to be busy. Right, I'm just going to have to get on with this because I'm starving. So yeah, it looks very similar. It's a different protein source. So let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, that's good. That is good. I'm not sure if it's quite up to the Quorn's fillet burger. Let's have another go. Let's see what the old density test is like. I have to say this coating is very nice. It's not difficult to do really, is it? Yeah, I don't think it's a bit more squishy than the Quorn one, I think. It's hard to tell really because this coating is quite thick on here. It's not a lot in them. Not a lot in them. Right, let's try these potatoes. Lovely. Let's have a few peas first before I get on with the review. Oh, look out. I'm sure I just saw a pea fly off the end. Let's wrap this review up and sum it up. It's not a bad product. It's a good product for people who are looking for a meat alternative, something to fill the plate. Because when I stopped eating meat, that was the biggest thing. There was a big gaping hole on the plate. What do I put on the plate? Because I've never really been a big vegetable eater. I don't particularly enjoy eating most vegetables. Got to be honest about that. So when I gave meat up, I struggled to think of what to eat, really. And I basically replaced it with I was eating a lot of eggs, cheese. I was eating things like quiches and stuff just to fill the plate up where there would normally be meat. And then after a couple of years, I think I've said it in a video in the first or the second one, after 2 years of doing that, I then tried the Cauldron Lincolnshire sausage, which I reviewed in video number 2, and that, you know, that opened the door for me to then start trying these products. But back then, that was in 2016, there weren't really much about. Quorn was about, they had a few products, but for some reason I wouldn't eat them. I just stayed away from Quorn for quite a long time, and I just ate these Lincolnshire sausages really, and never really tried anything else. And then I started to eat some of Linda McCartney's stuff, probably in about 2018. So that is the problem with people who really love meat and give it up for whatever reason, and then you know you've got a gaping hole on your plate. What are you going to put on there? And although for me, my personal opinion is these products aren't ideal, but eaten in moderation, you know, I can accept that they are what they are. I know what's in them. I would encourage everyone to look into what goes into these products, because if they're putting these out as a healthy alternative, really? Are they? What do you guys think? But you know, they are what they are. They are. Some of them are tasty. Probably more than half the things I've tried, I would eat again. There have been some I've just had to throw away. I couldn't eat them. It's disgusting. And I will be reviewing them again in the hope that they have improved them, because without a doubt the competition is getting better and better. They are getting better at mimicking meat, because without a doubt there is a market for people who don't eat meat but they want to eat a meat-like product. Because the question I've heard over the years is, why do you want to eat meat if you're a vegetarian? Well, maybe some of us didn't give eating meat up because they dislike the taste. There's other reasons. There are many reasons why people don't eat meat, and definitely for me, I was a massive meat eater and I loved meat. I absolutely loved meat, the taste of meat, and the texture. See, again, it's the texture with this. I mean, that sort of, the density covers that. Yeah, this ain't quite up to that. This ain't quite up to the last one, the Quorn fillet burger. But it's not bad. This is not bad. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good though. I'll definitely have it again. Definitely buy that again. Yeah. Right. Let's give it a score. So like I said, I don't think it's quite up to the standard of the Quorn fillet burger. Not quite, but it's not far off. The coating is quite nice on there, and because it's quite thick, it gives it quite a crunch, which is quite nice. It's very tasty. It is very tasty, but I think a lot of the taste is coming from that coating, which is part of the product. So I'm not going to knock the score down because of it, but it is disguising the fact the actual part, what is supposed to be meat, is quite it is quite soft. It isn't quite the texture of meat, and it's hard to get the flavour of that part of it because the coating is quite a strong flavour. So I gave, well, I won't say what I gave the Cuisine fillet burger in case people watching this want to watch that without knowing the score, but I'm going to give this an 8.7. I'm going to give this an 8.7. And that will go up on the chicken scoreboard, which will go up there. And again, I have deliberately made the writing on that quite small. So for people who don't want to watch it, you probably would have to really squint your eyes and have a good look at it to actually see the scores on that scoreboard. I have done that deliberately because I know there will be perhaps some people who don't want to see the score if they haven't seen a previous review. So yeah, there we go. Not a bad product, definitely buy it again. And I'm actually looking forward to the next video, which is another Bird's Eye product, which is their burger. Which is, I don't think beef is actually on the packaging, but it is mimicking a beef burger. And that will be the next video, so looking forward to that. That, guys, is another Fast Broken by a food review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me and Boo Boo again soon on the next one. Take care. I'm now going to finish my tea because I am Hank Marvin. These potatoes, lovely.
In this video, I'm going to break my fast by reviewing Bird's Eye's green cuisine. In this video, I'm going to break my fast by reviewing Bird's Eye's green cuisine. I forgot what they are. Oh dear. Flipping heck. It's such a mouthful. In this video, I'm going to review... No, I'm not. I'm going to break me fast first. Which is probably the easy bit. Boo Boo, out the sink, please. Boo Boo, get down. Boo Boo, get down. Boo. Cat. That, guys, is another Fast Broken by a food review. Thanks for watching. And I forgot the lines yet again. Boo Boo, what are we going to do, eh, mate?